Hi, I'm Cliff Wilcox, and I will be teaching a course at CSUCI starting on January 26 called Key Controversies in American History, Part 2. In this course, we will explore the three critical events in American history from the 19th through 20th centuries: the Civil War, the U.S. and the Holocaust, and the Vietnam War. We will look at the many ways historians have interpreted and argued over these events and dig into the many arguments that still swirl around them. This course is the second part of what I taught in the fall, in which we examined controversial issues in American history from the 15th through 19th centuries, examining historical treatments and arguments over Columbus, the Salem witch trials, and Thanksgiving. In both these courses, we try to understand why historical interpretations change, asking especially, how can we get beyond the new political focus on truth in history that is affecting the teaching of history in schools and colleges and examination of history through museums, such as what is currently happening at the Smithsonian Museum. Our goal is to use critical case studies in history to see how historians work, how and why interpretations change, and to examine how this dynamic approach to history keeps the discipline alive and relevant to contemporary students who turn to history not for timeless, enduring facts, but for relevant interpretations that help us make sense of our present and emerging future in light of the past. So, if you're interested in exploring why we keep fighting the Civil War today, what should and could the U.S. have done vis-a-vis the Jews in the Holocaust, and how and why we fought the Vietnam War and how that war still affects us today, then please join us starting on January 26th for Key Controversies in American History Part 2. Thanks very much. Hope to see you in class.